Okay, first register your account. Okay, use this referral code. This is RoyalQ. Okay, referral link, and this is Binance Exchange. Use this referral code. Both links you will find into the description of this video. Okay, after registration, do with me in practical. Okay, do it with practical. Q app. Okay, after opening RoyalQ app, as you will see here is my already 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 trades already running. Okay, and you can see here floating temporary loss. Okay, because price is going down. Now I am applying more trades. Okay, because my balance is 1500 USDT in Binance Exchange. Okay, so I can trade if one coin has $110, then I can trade on approximately 12 coins. Okay, according to $110, 110. Okay, see how to trade on. Okay, first I am doing on which coin? SHIB coin. Okay, click here SHIB and start on trade on SHIB. My trade is already going on this manual buy, but it not executed. I am closed this and click here. Okay, type here 0, confirm it, and now its price is going down 584. Okay, I want to start trade on this coin only 10 USDT. Click here trade settings. After clicking trade settings, now just click here. Okay, 10, and now here this setting 3 orders, and here is I am setting it. Okay, 1.3. Okay, and here is setting it 0.1%, and click here. Okay, now set here. My first trade is 3.5. Okay, and here is already one time buy. Okay, and here I am putting 4.5, and here is 3 times, and here is again 4, and here is buying 6 times. Your final step is click here to confirm it. In this way, one coin $110. Okay, click here to confirm it. Now click here to save it. Okay, and click here to start confirm. Okay, my trade is start. My average price means you have buy 10 okay USDT. Okay, on SHIB 10 USDT, your average price, and current price is this, and return rate is this. Price is going up and down. all conditions. In this way, 10 start price is 10 and margin call is 3. Okay, means one coin 110 USDT. Okay, in this way, if you are using this rule. Okay, and if price is going 1.3%, okay, and go back 0.1%, it will be executed. You will take profits. Okay, means that if I am opening a calculator, okay, 1.3 minus 0.1, it means that your trade closed on profit of 1.2%. Okay, if it's not going down 0.1%, then it will going up 2%, 3%, 4%, after going 5%, and again down 0.1%, then how much percent you have taken profit? See the calculator again. If market going 5%, then go back 0.1%, you have take 4.9% profit in this way. Okay, and this price margin call back. Okay, if market going down 3.15%, it will buy for you. Okay, I am clicking here margin configuration. If market going to down 3.5%, it will buy for you one time. Okay, already $10, and one time buy again $10 is equals to $20. Okay, if market again going 4.5%, it will buy for you 3 times. It means that $20 previous and 10 multiplied by 3, which amount? $60. If market going down 4%, it means that 10 multiplied by, okay, I am again telling you, 10 multiplied by 6, 4% coin and 6 times buy. It means that $60. In this way, $20 in previous and okay, $30 this and $60 this. Now calculate 3 of them, 20, 30 and 60, equal to $110 exact amount. One coin, $110. Okay, if you calculate on the here same amount, $20 plus $30 plus $60, it will equal to $110 on one coin trade. Okay, in this way. Now back again. Okay, now my next queen. Okay, next queen is which? See the queens. Okay, I am selecting now this queen ATA, but don't direct buy, just okay, some new traders just see here 21% and directly buy. Don't believe here 21% is going down. Sometimes market giving false signal. Okay, first you must research it. How to research it? Open Binance Exchange. Okay, and search this coin ADA USDT. Okay, now click here, candle. See, okay, in this time I am long trader, 1 day. Okay, select here 1 day because I want to trade it long time. Okay, and here is 24 hours volume. Okay, and low I have already told you, you must check this. Okay, 0.8 is low, 1.4, and its current price is 0.9. Okay, now in this case, and check here is also this price. If I am clicking here EMA, exponential moving average, as you will see here 50 EMA is down and it's up. It means that you can buy this. Okay, and trend, you must also check the trend. Don't believe indicators. Okay,